very good morning all of you students. I hope all of you fit and healthy at your home with your family, and this is good for you beta. I hope all of you completed your previous work which was I am given. Okay, and this is your chapter name. Your chapter is the earth our home, and this is your book. Look at here everyone, this is your book. And in first chapter I have already given you, tick the correct option also. This work is completed. Fill in the blanks is also completed. Okay beta. So if you are not completed that work, all of you completed this work from my video. Okay, and in today's class we will do the next topic according to your book. So everyone open your book, page number 10. Which page number? Your book exercise is going on. Book exercises. Book exercise. So everyone open now in your book, page number 10. And my dear students, all students, please buy your books, because in next chapter I will not write whole exercise on the board. So everyone please purchase your books. This is good for you, because in this pandemic situation if you have book then all of you read properly. Okay, each and everything. Then let's start today's classes. Question number D. Question number D is tick the right box. Tick the right box. It means in this question you have to give now the answers more than one, and you have to choose now which one is correct. First sentence is, according to your book, the surface of the surface of the earth is made up of land and the options are here given now. First is water in first box, and in second box is stars. Okay, these are the two answers. You have to click now here which one is correct. So beta, your right option will here is, the surface of the earth is made up of land and water. You have to choose now this one. Okay, this type all of you do now your work. Then move to the next question. Then question number 2 is here. 3/4 of earth's surface. Everyone write now. Of the earth surface is the option will here given. First is land, then second option is water. So you have to choose now very easily. You have to choose now which one is the correct. 3/4 of surface is land, water. When the word is here given 3/4, 3/4 means 3/4. Okay, it means the question is asking about water. Understand? Our earth's surface is covered 3/4 by the water, and 1/4 is the land. Okay. So everyone do this work, this type of. Then move to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is hundreds of years. Hundreds of years ago, people believed that the earth was options are here. First is flat, okay, this one, and the next is round. So which one is the correct option? Tell me, student. Hundreds of years ago, people believed that the earth was, tell me, the earth was flat. You have to click now this option. Okay. I hope all of you done now this work. Then move to the next question. If we move towards the horizon, it appears to move. Options are here given. Closer. First is closer. Then second is further. Two options are here in this sentence are given now, closer and farther away. So everyone, according to this sentence, choose the right. Which one is the right answer? If we move towards the horizons, it appears to move. Tell me, it appears to move farther. Your right option will here farther. Closer means to near. And farther, it means when you are go now on that place. Okay. It means the horizon is shifted to away. Understand? I think hope all are understand. The next sentence is here. Number 5 is Magellan was a brave sailor from. Here is two countries name are given. First is England and second one is Spain. Very easily you have to choose now this option, I think, because many times you all are read your book reading. Magellan was a brave sailor from which country? England Spain. He was Spanish. Okay, so your right option will here Spain. I hope all of you understand now the whole exercise. And everyone complete your exercise in your book with the help of pencil. Okay, beta? Then students move to the question number E, which is the true false. In this book, write T for true and F for false in the boxes given below. I am not right now this type of line. I am here mention now only true and false. Understand? Okay. Then first, according to your book, first sentence is the earth where we live, where we live is our home. This sentence is true, false. The earth where we live is our home. Yes, this sentence is right. It means this sentence is true. Here I mention now true. Okay, then move to the question number 2. Question number 2. There are no plants and animals living on the earth. Tell me, student, what is the right option? Right answer. There are no. Pay attention on this word. No plants and animals living on the earth. You know it very well. The plants and animals and non-living things, all things are on the earth. So this sentence is here false. Because life is possible on the earth only due to land, water, air. Okay. Then next question is, we built houses and buildings on the earth. Tell me, this sentence true, false? We built houses and buildings on the earth. Yes, this is right answer. So all of you right now here true. Okay. Then move to the next question. The next question is number 4 is about 3/4 earth surface is land and 1/4 is water. Tell me, this sentence is true, false? You know, student, look at here, everyone. This is the picture of earth. Here I am showing now. Okay, means this part is also land. Okay, and this part is water. Okay, you know, every time water is on the earth is 3/4 and land is 1/4. Okay, according to this sentence, about 3/4 of earth's surface is land. Okay, and 1/4 is water. It means this sentence is the wrong, right? This sentence is false. Okay. Here I am also explain now. Then next is number 5 is the earth is round. The earth is round and not flat in shape. Flat in shape. Tell me this sentence right or wrong. True, false. The earth is round and not flat in shape. This sentence is a true sentence. I hope all things are clear now, students. And everyone complete now this work only in your book with the help of pencil. Understand? Do not write these book exercise in your copy. Understand? This work is book exercise. In your copy only you have to write now new terms and question answer. Don't write extra thing in your copy. Okay, beta? That's all for today. Today's classwork is completed now, beta. And this is your homework. So everyone do the page number 11 in your book. Look at here. This activity all of you do now. This activity, make project file on the Earth's Day. Here is one paragraph are also given now. So everyone read this paragraph. Okay. After that, here are some questions. That questions are based on this paragraph. Okay, this paragraph. So the answer are only yes and no. You have to put now only correct answer. So this is your homework. I think all of you do now this work very carefully. And that's all today. In next class, we will do the question answer of this chapter. Okay, thanks.